back to my channel. So today we are meeting at Jungle Trail, which is a really popular place in Noida. Yeah, and it has opened recently only. So yeah, welcome to our random vlog. We were deciding the most weirdest things ever. Okay, who's the lead visual of our group? Obviously Trisha. No, it's Trisha. Okay. Stop. Let's do it outside.
Guys, let's do a fit check because we are wearing matching outfits today. And matching necklaces.
Yes. Wait. And matching bracelets also.
Yeah, wait.
Like that.
I haven't closed it, but this is mine.
Oh my god, my bracelet tangled.
Oh, wait.
Can you stop hiding it with
Oh
your
my
hand?
god, bro, stop.
See.
And this, oh god, your hand.
Yeah. This one I got from the Beater Duo. They're really cool. So in the
Check them out on Insta.
Yeah. So we're gonna put the link in the description.
So basically, let's do a fit check right now.
Yes.
Start. Fit check.
Okay. Jacket from West Side. Dress from West Side. Boots from West Side. Also, all of this is from West Side.
Yes. Now my turn. Jacket from, I don't know. Shirt from West Side. Jeans also from West Side.
West Side besties.
I don't know where the boots are from either. We have ordered.
Okay, so we were deciding who's the dancer, singer, rapper, who's of our group from.
Okay. So we have ordered chicken tandoori pizza, chicken tikka pizza.
Is it?
Yeah, chicken tikka pizza and
Let's tell them our favorite K-pop.
Blackpink #1
Obviously, come on.
Obviously, like
Obviously.
Okay, number 2,
Islet. No, Baby Monster for me.
Baby Monster.
Yeah.
Then 3 is Islet.
Yeah, Islet for sure.
Then next is 4. I think. Wait, I don't know.
Maybe we should do Lisa. I don't know.
Yeah, the Seraphim on
Yeah.
number 4. And number 5 is,
I think either Red Velvet or Red Sea. Either of them.
I think I for me.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's our ranking, top 5 K-pop groups.
Apart from that, we also like ITZY and Red Velvet. When I say, oh my god,
Shoot. Twice is number 3 actually.
yeah.
Who was on number 3? Islet. Islet is number 4, I guess.
No, I think number 3 should be Islet, number 4 should be Twice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And number 5 is IVE.
These are our ties.
Oh, that's so.
That was so cool actually. Okay, ready?
This is so fun though, right? Wait, you're not visible. Come closer.
Let me record for some. Yeah. Now you're not
Oh
visible.
my god, there's so much light.
Guys, see.
There's like paw prints. That's so cute.
We'll keep on giving it to each other or something.
Yeah. Look at the paw prints. They're so cute. Look. Step on it. Yay.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
this is way bigger than us. That's so.
Maybe a Yeti came here.
Yeah, I think the Yeti's feet must be bigger than that.
Oh wait, do you hear that?
Look at the dog, Mama.
Wait, is that real?
Mama, there's a dog. There's a dog sitting for the show.
He's looking at so many people. I thought it was fake at first.
I thought it was a fox.
Oh my. The color is like a
He's
fox.
saying, I love you. You're so adorable.
Okay, come.
I
Now
love
you
it.
record for some time.
Cute. Guys, if you don't know, I am a dog lover and yeah. I
I'm a
have.
dog person and I'm a cat person.
Yeah.
But we like all animals. Okay, let's look at Australia. Wait.
Mama, Australia? Mama, do you want to go to Australia?
करूँगी रुको
is this?
Oh. Damn. But that's from nuts. That's made from nuts.
Yeah. Mama, everything I made is from nuts, screws and all.
Yeah. Wait, what's that?
It's a koala.
Oh, that's so cute.
Koala sleeps 18 or 22 hours.
Wait, this is so cool. Now mine. Just press this. वहाँ पे जाओ. Okay. Wait, it's on.
Where?
What?
What have you done? Take a photo for the video.
Okay, wait, let me.
Remember this so much. Let's go inside.
No. Okay, wait.
Let's go. Let's go under. We're very good anyway.
It's okay, I do a photo. No, let's look there.
Look at those chickens on the tree.
Come. Let's.
So where the kangaroos behind it?
Yeah, we're gonna go there. Come, look at this. Wait.
Yeah, we got to get it. I think people would be so excited to see the ladder for blocks here. But we can actually touch a penguin.
No? Okay, from there, yeah. Come.
Where are the
Here.
Okay, check out the information.
No.
Okay, 500 rupees fine on touching the animals.
I already touched them. Oopsies.
This is so cool.
Will I go there?
For the penguins.
For the penguin.
Look!
Oh, wait, what the hell?
Oh my god! Look, penguin feet.
Wait, let's walk on these.
You start.
These,
Awesome.
these are so cute.
सभी गेस्टों से अनुरोध किया जाता है कृपया करके कोई भी गेस्ट या बच्चा किसी भी पशु पक्षी या जानवरों को न छुए ऐसा करना दंडनीय अपराध है कोई भी गेस्ट बीच रास्ते पर ना चले साइड से चले गाड़ियों को आगे बढ़ने का रास्ता
That's a platypus. See, here we made that. Yeah. And now,
Wait, look at those.
हाँ देखा.
They're so cool.
Oh wow. That's so slay. Wait, look, there's an alligator behind. Wait, there's a kangaroo. Wait. Oh my god.
And alligator.
Wait, look at the kangaroo. Come.
Look at that kangaroo with the pocket.
Wait, that's so cute and the baby.
I know, right? And look at that.
Wait, let me take a
Wait, look
picture.
at that hyena. I think it's a hyena or I don't know what.
Wait, let me take a photo of the kangaroo.
Kangaroos use their tails to maintain balance.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, what the hell?
Oh,
What the hell is this?
that's so creepy. Let me touch it.
It's made with nuts and all.
Let me touch it.
Wait, are these keyboard caps?
I don't know. I
Do you think so?
And these are made from nuts.
Yeah, and these are again those screws
yeah.
and all.
And these are the pipes.
Yeah, wait, this is so creative though.
Look at this pipe. Oh my
Oh,
god.
that's cool. This is like a spring wala coin.
Yeah.
And what's that? Is that a? That's a Tasmanian devil. I don't know.
Tasmanian It's way better to walk down the tower.
Yeah. Okay, let's look at behind. So let's look behind there.
Oh, cool. Hey, that is so much cooler.
And look at that. Mendak. Wait, there's a mendak here also.
Oh, look at the sweet. It's made from string. Look at those. Menducks. Wait, it's wrong. Looks like something that we made from that.
What? Back here again. Wait, let's look at the alligator from a more close up. This is all made from pipe.
All that information, take photos of Alice so that Alice can read it.
That's so very. Oh, that's so pretty.
I know. Has dabbled like claws capable on inflicting serious. Wait, look at the. Did you take a photo of the Tasmanian devil?
Yeah, I took it.
The information.
Yeah.
About the red fox.
Red fox? Yeah.
What are those porcupines?
Porcupines, hedgehogs. Oh my god, they're super cute.
Oh, next we're going to enter Asia.
Wait, look, we're already in Asia. Like,
I mean, yeah. In reality.
Oh wait, there's another chipkali.
Why are these chipkalis not?
They're not leaving us. I think
These
there's.
are not close the grill.
I think there's way too many chipkali in Australia.
Yeah. And many menducks as well.
Yeah. Porcupines also. What's that? Chameleons? It was that echidna.
Oh, that looks like porcupine.
That's literally porcupine. Who says echidna?
I don't know.
Like seriously.
Oh, look at the kangaroos. That one.
What kind of kangaroos are
I
those?
know.
Why is it chit-chatting there?
Look at the lizards.
Oh, I didn't notice.
Come here. Look at the close-up of the eye. Wait, look at this. Oh, are these made from tires?
What? That's crazy.
Oh my god, look at that snake. Oh, we forgot the emu.
Oh, emu. Oh, look at that.
No, you know that's so
Shark.
creepy. I love your English though. Oh, look at your
Bro.
flag, yay.
Yes, India. That sounds creepy.
I know. Emu. Why do I call it emu?
Emu.
I call it emu, I don't know.
Emu is. Oh, what is that? That's creepy. That's like a creepy.
Tiger ball.
What? Oh wait, those are the tiger balls.
Oh. These are the black kangaroos?
What the hell is a black kangaroo? Yeah.
What? No reason.
It's okay. It's fun to like.
Of the information of black.
Yeah, I took it.
Because I do not have time to read all of that. I'm just going to view.
Okay, come. Let's go. Wait, let's call our moms. Oh, look at that chuha.
Could you stop calling it a chuha?
Oh,
It's a
like
little
tiger
ball.
ball, whatever, bro. It looks like a chuha.
And actually it does. It just looks like a giant chuha.
Oh, come. Let's call our moms. Why does it
That
standing
part
there?
is actually made from inside of a tire.
Yeah, and like random mechanical thingies which we do not know. Come, let's call our moms. What the heck? Oh, there's a car coming. Come, wait. Ow! Asia चलो.
And alligator is made from tires.
Crazy.
So let's enter Asia. We explored everything.
हाँ और आप लोग बात करते रहे.
Are you going to explore all the 7 continents here?
Yeah, North America, South America. Wait, I'm so excited to explore like the
North and South America.
I'm excited. Antarctica. Is there Antarctica?
Yeah, obviously. I really hope there's Antarctica.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think this is only for Asia and Australia. Rest we're gonna look later.
Oh, what? That looks.
Let's see those random names. Although we are in India, let's see those things which we don't have any to see. Oh, panda, tiger, elephant, cat.
Wait, I'm recording this.
Okay, I don't know.
Orangutan. They're literally the same thing. Like, no one cares. Wow.
Mama!
Oh. I was about to drop the phone.
Wow, Drisha, amazing. Okay, take off the.
Wait.
Look at the horn. Achha. Take the information.
Yeah, I took. So cute. Come, let's go. I took a photo of her. I took a photo of her. Wait, what's that? Komodo dragon?
never seen that.
Dragons are real? I did not know. Look at that. Okay, wait. Let me just take a photo of that. Information.
And all the time that I'm saying this, please remember to video.
Where's the Bharatiya god? Oh, Indian bison. Super jealous. Malayan tapir. हर एनिमल कभी टायर पाइप या मेटल स्क्रैप हुआ करता था. Exactly. Oh, that's so fun. Look at that bhalu.
Look at. Oh, I've never seen a yak being so big.
Where did it go? Where did it go?
Look at the cactus though.
Oh,
The nakli cactus.
that's so cool. I don't think that's even a cactus. That's just a random pool.
Black bear.
Kala bhalu. Like mano ya na mano. Did you not translate to mano ya na mano? Really?
Black bear, especially smaller ones, can climb trees, escape danger.
Mano ya na mano. What the? Wait, there's something inside.
I think pebbles are the speakers.
Yeah, they just hidden it like that. That's a good. Wait, I hate holes. Ew. Ew, no. Silka deer? Silka deer. Wait, this is so fun though. Like Silka. Like the Milka chocolate, there's a Silka deer.
It's Sika deer again.
Okay, anyways, hi, I'm Bunty. Hi, I'm Bunty. Hey, I'm a gorilla, smart, social, and soulful. I'm built from fuel tank. I want to see Bunty. Where's Bunty? Oh wait, what's that? Jackal?
Wow, I said that one Hindi story about CR.
CR?
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Oh wait. I see that all the time while coming from school.
Same.
Oh, look at those faces. Oh. Oh, ew. That's disgusting.
I know.
But it's funny. Come, let's take. I want to take a. What happened?
I get scared so bad from insects.
This is funny. Why are the teeth rotting? And the eyes are yellow. I think the person got jaundice. Look at all those insects. I never thought I'd be taking photos of plastic insects.
I never thought that. Wait, they are made from springs and all.
Yeah, and that, you know the solar panel thingies. Come, let's take photo of those also. It's
I
like,
believe they're outside water.
oh yeah. I'm not taking photos of. Oh, yes, we are. Let's go here or there.
I've seen this. Let's see
That's the thing I always see while coming back home.
Same.
Let's look at this from a closer view. Yes. Let's take a information pic of the हाथी. मानो या ना मानो, हाथी अपनी लंबी सूंड का इस्तेमाल पानी पीने के लिए करता
I
है.
did not know that. Oh my god.
Oh my god, ये तो मैंने बिल्कुल भी नर्सरी में नहीं सीखा था. Cut a screen. This is my message. No.
It's just kind of creepy.
ये केकड़ा देखो देखो.
That Kekra was.
क्या केकड़ा looks so cool.
Wait, look at that. Look at the overseeing. Look at the langur.
Where's the langur?
Do you see the langur? Where is it?
I hope he doesn't.
I really hope this is not an actual langur.
No, how do you think a langur? Do you think the langur? Oh my god! Sound effects. Where is the langur? Where should I go? Anyways, let's look at that. There is no langur. Stop.
I don't think.
I see a saap rather than a langur.
I think that's a pooch of the langur.
Oh yeah. Let's look that.
Yes. But there's a bridge.
Oh, this is scary.
This is the best part.
I better not drop the phone.
You're gonna drop it in algae if you do that.
You know.
Yes.
It's my mom's phone. But the bridge is so cool. Picture click कर लो. That looks aesthetic. I don't know.
Look at all those animals.
The alligator.
वहाँ से करो ना तो वहाँ से सामने
Let's speak French.
उधर के भी आएंगे.
Let's go from there and then.
Look at the water, bro.
Let's go there and then we'll come back. Come.
Do you realize that?
Oh wait,
Do you realize that the water coming out from the elephant is that algae water?
bro, I don't care. Let's run. What the hell?
We're on the other side, aren't we?
Yeah, we're just going to take a picture from there and then we're gonna come back.
Look at the cake.
Oh my god, the kekada! There is more kekades. Where are
I
the?
know cake.
Where are moms?
You.
What is that? You? Wait, is that an alligator?
No.
Sir?
That's a deer, I think.
Oh, you and there's a coon also. That's
Yeah.
anyway.
I see the alligator. Oh, alligator is eating a cake raw.
Wait, let's see the kekades first.
Here.
Stop! Look at the kekada from.
Can I touch
Come.
it?
No.
Hi, Kekru.
Kekadu.
This one is so aesthetic. Oh
Oh my god, aesthetic kekada with rust on it.
Do you see that alligator eating the cake raw?
Yeah, let's go. Wait, let them go. Buggy.
What are you doing? The alligator is actually holding our camera.
That's a kekada, not an alligator.
I found a random stone in my ear.
What the hell?
Let's
King
cross the
vulture.
bridge.
Wait, that's a vulture. That's why.
ऐसे click ले रहा हूँ.
हाँ लिया.
That's a vulture.
Come, look at that kekada and alligator. I mean crocodile. That's a crocodile, not a alligator. Okay.
Obviously.
I really thought it was an
Did you not realize that because of the eyes?
We already saw the alligator in the starting.
Yeah.
That's why.
Roseate spoonbill. That's such an aesthetic name, though.
What? Roseate spoonbill. Oh wait, bro, this is the like in a unique unison chapter.
Oh, do you see those snails and random kekras on the bridge?
What the? Oh. Oh. Come, let's go to the bridge again.
Oh, look at that. Look at take photos of all the facts.
Ah, wait, should I make a pano bit? Yeah.
Amma.
हम ब्रिज पे जा रहे हैं.
हाँ. Okay. Oh my god, guys, look at this bridge.
Oh, that's the langur. Take a photo from here.
Yeah, I know. I'm just trying to zoom out. Okay.
Wait, just look at this pipe.
Can I hold the phone after after we got from the bridge?
Oh my god. Come.
I heard that you can never touch a langur pooch. That's actually.
I touched it. Come, let's run to the bridge again. Let's go straight now. Yeah, just walk.
Oh, this is more algae.
Oh, more langurs.
Why does this remind me of Vaishno Devi actually?
Oh, look at that giant turtle. Look at the giant turtle.
Look at this. Oh, there's a kid at my feet.
I mean, it's not visible, but okay. Look at all that water.
Let's try to observe some fishes in there.
I don't think there's any fish in there.
Or any real creatures. Look at that. That green, random thingy.
Isn't it like patte? It looks like a fish kind of. Wait, I don't know why it looks like a fish. Come, let's go. I better not drop the phone here. More langurs. Oh my god, why are there so many langurs here?
We were not able to see them go earlier enough, so that's why.
He might steal my chashma.
I'll make it very nice.
Oh, look at this. Oh, you better wait. Do it again. Let me take a photo.
Oh, it's okay.
Should I make him wear mine?
Yeah.
Here.
Guys are making the langurs wear our fish mask because I know that langurs actually steal specs. Yeah. Oh, don't leave your glasses.
You take a picture of him?
Yeah.
Making him wear it?
Yeah.
Look. Oh wait, look at the turtles. Look at the
I dare you to do
spoonbills.
that.
Do what? Oh, it's gonna fall. No, it's not, but okay.
I really hope you don't fall.
Oh, look at the spider web.
Oh, ew. I hate spiders.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Wow, this is so cute.
Where are our parents?
They're standing there.
At least they have their
This is kind of disgusting. I can call your mom with my mom's phone.
I first dare in the challenge. Touch that spider.
Okay, hold his phone.
What?
Where?
I wouldn't know. And touch its legs.
What the hell?
Oh my god.
No, you also do it.
You, my guys, my biggest fear is spider.
Okay, that's it. Okay, challenge one completed by both of us.
Oh, look at the langoon.